Good morning, everyone. Good morning, students. Welcome to Oxford's Bird. It's been a long time. There is no videos. I have put it on my YouTube channels, but now I'm here to give you some very insightful video of cover, and we are going to tell you what is the use of cover, what is the definition of cover, and how to lay down the cover. So you will see the step-by-step procedure of lay down the cover. So first we have to take a salver, and you can see here we have put it the bud wash on the salver. So you have to carry the salver in left hand side, and by using your right hand side, put bud wash on the center of the table like this. Then come down. And after that, you have to carry the BNBs on the left hand side. As we are going to prepare 4 cover, so we have carried 4 BNBs. So let's start one by one. You can place the BNB like this. Noise should not be come out. While placing the BNBs, noise should not be come out, and you have to go clockwise if there is a 4 cover, if you are preparing for the 4 covers like this. Now the third step is how to lay down the cutlery. So very important, while you are placing the cutlery, you have to stack cutlery on the salver like this. I have put it over here. So fork, AP fork, then AP knife, then butter knife. So we are going to prepare the a la carte cover. So this way we are putting the butter knife on the side plate also known as BNB plate, bread and butter plate, and half plate as well. Then we put AP fork near to the BNB. Then we are placing AP knife like this. So this is the basic a la carte cover we are preparing. And it is very important whenever we are placing the cover, we are placing the cutleries on the table. We make sure that we have to leave the edge like half inch or 1 inch above the table. We should place cutleries or cutleries on the left half inch above the table like this. It should be half inch above the table. The next step is placing the glasswares. So how we have this, you can see here how we place the glassware like this. These are the highball glass. Always go for the right hand side and put tip of the knife. The glasswares you have to put tip of the knife, and you have to go clockwise and tip of the knife. This way you have to place the glass. So here I'm going to tell you some very important point while preparing the cover. Here you can see whenever you are placing the knife or spoon or fork, make sure you have to hold the knife like this and place like this. Edge of the knife should be inside the cover. This part. Edge of the knife should be inside the cover, not outside the cover. Similarly, the butter knife edge had to be outside the cover, like this. Edge should not be inside, but AP knife edge should be inside the cover like this. And finally, the size of the cover is important. Because in many interviews, many interviewer may ask what is the size of cover. So actually, the size of the cover of for one person is required 15 inches into 24 inches. So 24 inches from here to till the BNBs, and 15 inches from here to the dessert crockery, including cuvette set and bed was the cover size would be 18 inches. So 24 into 18 and 24 into 15 inches. So actual cover size is 24 inches into 15 inches. So at last, viewers who have seen at the beginning of this video, you must have seen the linen tablecloth and an apron already laid down. And if you want to willing to know how to lay down the cover and how to lay down the tablecloth on the table, so we'll prepare the next video for you guys. Thank you so much.